welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to please your partner with your mouth. I have 3 ways you're going to use to please your partner. These things are going to make you so irresistible to your lover and to anyone. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready for this? Because sometimes you're like, I'm too lazy to put in the work. But this is actually very easy. Very easy things to do. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and leave a comment below. Let me ask you first. When was the last time you said sweet, juicy things to your partner? I'm talking about praises and compliments. That is the number one thing I'm going to teach you. How to praise and compliment your partner. How to tell them sweet nonsense. Do you know how to do it? You don't. I know most of you guys are thinking, oh God, I can't wait for her to teach me all the sexual things I'm going to use. Let me tell you, you can't please your partner sexually when you're not even pleasing the person with your mouth. Like what you say and how you say those things matters. You're going to learn how to gas your partner up. How to praise your partner till his or her head falls down. How to say, baby, you look like fresh bread. Baby, you are so handsome. Man, let me tell you guys this. We women, we like compliments. You know that women mostly are turned on by what we hear. I don't know why. Man, you guys should learn how to compliment your woman. Compliment her hair, her makeup. See, all these things. To look good is not easy for a woman. We are putting in the effort. Compliment her cooking. Whatever she cooks, whether it's sweet or not, compliment it. Compliment her natural beauty. Compliment her figure. Compliment her big tummy. Compliment everything about your woman. Women love hearing sweet things. In as much as we women love hearing sweet things, men too. These men like compliments. Whenever I compliment a man, he's always like, are you sure? Really? They love it. They'll just give you this silent smile like, yeah, thank you, really, really. So ladies, gas this man up. Compliment your man. When they're about going out, you're like, baby, you are so handsome. Baby, this top is fine. Oh, red is just your color. Blue is just your color. Like this color is just meant for you. Even if he's wearing pink, compliment him or that pink shirt he's wearing. Stay there. So I'm just saying, there are so many ways of complimenting a man. Compliment how he looks. Even if his face is like this, tell him, baby, you are the most handsome man alive. Baby, you are too fine. Baby, see how dark you are like chocolate. Baby, see how fair you are like milk. Stroke his ego. Wash his head. Wash it with shampoo and soap so it will be clean and white. Play to this man's masculinity. You can tell him things like, I feel so safe whenever I'm around you. Saying things like this makes him feel like a superhero or like a superman. You can compliment your man's strength. Complimenting his strength means that you see him as a leader and as a protector, meaning that you trust him. After all the compliments, then you subtly tell them what you want them to do better. You see, it slides in. It's sweeter. You make someone feel good. Then you can tell the person what you want them to do for you or how you want the person to treat you better. And most times, when you make a man feel good, he does everything for you. He makes sure you feel good. He makes sure you are well taken care of. Because men don't like complaining. I'm not just talking about only men. Even women, we don't like complaints. So, compliment that girl. Compliment that man. Shower him or her with compliments. What are you waiting for? Try this today and tell me how it went. Second way of how to please your partner is to stop nagging or complaining. You guys have to learn this thing. Baby, always complaining and nagging. Why? Why are you wasting your saliva? Most times when you keep complaining and complaining, your partner's brain automatically shuts down. The brain already knows that, oh, this person is going to say this or that. So the brain just shuts down and the person stops listening to what you're saying. It starts sounding like noise to their ears. Nobody likes complaints. Nobody likes negativity. Nobody likes someone bickering in their ear. We are all mature. There are better ways of asking for things. Use your mouth and ask directly for what you want. If you want affection, ask directly for affection. If you want time, Ask directly for time. Stop using you do not or you never do this or that. Some of you used to say, you never come back on time. You don't spend time with me. Just ask directly. I would want us to go and see a movie together on Sunday, on Monday. Then the person can discuss with you and know when works best for him or her. Simple. One sentence, max 2 sentences. Let me tell you something. Nagging and complaining always leads to unnecessary argument and conflict. Why you not do it? Why you da? Then the person most likely is going to respond, and at the end of the day, the whole place is heated up, and there's so much issue in the house. And the thing just takes the romance and the sexiness and the sweetness in the relationship. Do you want that in your life? No, you want a soft, easy, sweet life. So stop complaining. People run away from nagging people because nobody wants in their ears. Me myself, I regret all the times I have ever nagged in a relationship or I ever complained. I would have just shut up my mouth and ignore the person. So I'm saying that stop using your mouth to nag and complain. We all want good, positive vibes. Lastly, how to please your partner in bed. What do you say? How do you say those things? Your tone matters. Your tone has to be low. Tell the person sweet nonsense in bed. Oh, baby, I love how you turn me on. Baby, I love your muscles. Wow, baby, you are so fit. Oh, baby, I love how you kiss me. Oh, baby, I don't know if you guys can hear me, Sha. The voice has to be bedroomish. Talk nasty sometimes. You can just call up your partner while he's at work and tell him sweet nonsense. Talk to him nasty. Let his head cool down at work. Stop being shy. Why are you shy for? Are we still kids? We're not kids anymore, so please stop it. Another thing is, how do you use your mouth while you guys are frolicking? Do you use your tongue? Can you kiss? Do you lick? Things like that. You have to learn all these things, oh guys. You have to learn how to use your mouth. You have to learn how to kiss. Stop using too much tongue. Stop being less saliva and no teeth. Stop using teeth. Use your mouth in a very nice way. Just slow, steady, deep kisses. The mouth is the most powerful instrument we can use to better our love life. Guys, I'm sweating already. My AC is off. Anyways, this was just supposed to be a very quick, straight to the point video. Thank you guys for sticking around with me in this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave a comment below, like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'ma see you in my next video. Bye.